As you begin to finish your first annotated bibliography, I decided to show you a quick screencast to show you how to format the page. Now before me I have a basic annotated bibliography, in this case with summaries. I will admit that two of the sources, it really isn't a summary, but it's about showing you how to do things. So obviously I just went into Word and I typed everything out and kept it as it is. We want to go beyond that when we want to format this. So one of the first things we probably want to do is change our fonts. So highlight your entire item, and I would honestly recommend Times New Roman size 12. Now from here we do want to get into some other important information, so we need to get your heading in. So go ahead and put in your name on the very first line, follow it with my name, follow it with our class title, and the date. The line after that should be your title. So this one, of course, is pros and cons of wind energy, annotated bibliography. Now titles should be in general centered, and they stay in the same font, and they are not enlarged and generally also not bolded. The other basic thing we want to do, of course, is also get in our header. So you'll head into the Insert button, go to Page Number, choose the top of the page, go down to the third number, it'll pop in your number and put in your name. Close out your header and that part's done. Now we've got to make sure that this portion looks correct. Now I do have everything in alphabetical order with an A, E, and a K. So what I need to do is make sure that all of my bibliographic information is double-spaced with hanging indents. The easiest way to do that is go ahead and highlight each one separately, then head to the paragraph area and go to the little button to the side, click on it, and when you get this piece here, you want to turn your spacing to 0. So before 0, after 0, and line spacing of double. But you also want to go to Indentation and choose Special through the click down menu and choose Hanging. Word will know it's a ½ inch, so it'll put that there. You hit OK, and that one's done. We do the same thing for all the others. Hanging indent, double spaced, hanging indent, and double spaced again. Now honestly I'd probably go ahead and put an extra space in between these, and generally that would be enough because we can leave our paragraph single spaced. If you wish to double space everything, that's fine. Just make sure that when you double space, you go in, make sure it's properly double spaced, and use a paragraph indent by using the tab button before it. Either way is correct. So it can look like the one up here where I have the summary single spaced, or it can be double spaced with a paragraph indent. I'm going to go ahead and go back to the other save space, and that's perfectly fine. And that's it. You have a header, you have your title. Your title will have, of course, your statement of scope. You have each of your entries, each of them following MLA documentation form. My first one, of course, is an internet source, so I have the author, the page, the website's name, my sponsor, date of publication, web, and date of access. My next one came from the library databases, so I have the author's name, the title of the article, the news source, its volume, its date, and its page number, the database I accessed it from, the fact that it was a web, and the date I accessed it. And I used the Colbert article. So of course Colbert, Island of the Wind, Composition Research, 4th Custom Edition, editors Mary Lynch Kennedy and Hadley M. Smith et al. Boston, Pearson Learning Solutions, 2015. It's found on 1479 to 1486, and it is a print source. And below it is my a very quick summary of the article. That should help you get it fixed up and ready to turn in on time. Make sure you have this submitted online. Go to the Paper 1 folder, click on the Annotated Bibliography assignment, and upload it there. Make sure when you upload it is a .doc, .docx, or .pdf. If you have any questions, please get to me as soon as possible. Good luck.